There are many other factors to consider when choosing a theme for a website, and let's go over a few things that you should look for in a theme. When you're choosing a theme for your website, it's important to carefully consider the specific needs and the goals of the site and what you want the visitor to do on your website. Evaluate your target audience with your buyer personas that you have created and the tables that we've created, and think about the type of content that will be featured on your website and any special features or functionalities that might be required. First, you want to look at the features and functionality of the theme. Functionality, that refers to the various features and the tools your website requires you to perform its intended purpose. Different industries might be looking for different features in a website theme. For example, a restaurant might prioritize a theme with a built-in menu and a reservation system, while a photography portfolio might need a theme that showcases high-quality images with a sleek, modern layout. An online store will need a shopping cart, payment processing. A blog might need a commenting system. So you can see it's important to have a clear understanding of the features that you need before you choose the theme. And you want to be sure to choose a theme that is designed specifically for your industry, or it can be easily customized to fit your needs. So think about the functionality that you need for your website first before you go ahead and choose your theme. Once you've determined the functionality you need, the next step is to consider the visual design of your website theme. The design should be visually appealing and consistent with your brand's identity. This includes fonts, colors, overall style. A professional and clean design is essential for creating a positive first impression, ensuring that your visitors have a pleasant experience navigating your site. We keep talking about that, right? Most likely you've looked at themes and considered the user experience already. The theme should enhance the user experience by providing an intuitive and easy to navigate layout. And this includes ensuring that the layout is logical and consistent and the design elements do not distract from the content of the website.